We are pleased to show you the 2019 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway miles per gallon is not bad either, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.